Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let me put some glasses on. Am I the only one that feels like when you're looking a little crazy, glasses make you feel better? But anyway, or look better. But I'm about to do a little self-care, maintenance, cleaning today. Yeah, I'm going to like a job change slash layoff, and I want to make sure I stay up to date with my self-care and my maintenance just to make sure I feel like my best self as I interview over these next few weeks. But yeah, I want to do my hair. I've had my hair in a twist out for like a week just so I have my hair in like a twist out for a week just to give the flat iron a break. My hair is not lasting like it used to. I used to could push my hair to 2 weeks before I wash it, but I'm having to wash it after a week because my scalp is just itchy. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. I need to do these nails. I might do my toes. When I go to the nail salon, I get regular polish, but when I do them at home, I tend to do gel just because it's easier for me. I can dry it fast and move on. And I might want to do like a little design. When I go to the salon, I always get white. When I do them at home myself, I'll like try different designs that I see on Pinterest. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do press-ons and put them on, do my hair. And I'm kind of on the time crunch because I have an interview tomorrow and I want my hair to be straightened, my nails to be done, and yeah, I want to clean up. And that's really gonna be what I'm doing today. I might go grab some coffee. I've been craving coffee more and more, but it's this place downtown that I really like, and they have really good coffee to me. So I might try that. But right now, I think I'm about to just put some oil in my hair. I have this concoction of hot oil treatments that I use, and I just put like different oils. Like if you look up oils for high porosity hair, I put a bunch of those, like avocado, I don't rosemary, and a few others. I mix them all together, and I just take like a bottle, warm it up in the microwave. A bottle, not a bottle. I take a cup of water, warm it up in the microwave, then I sit the oil in there. So I think I'm gonna shower while my hair is sitting in the oil. I'm gonna do my skincare. If you watched my last video, I talked about my new skincare routine that I do. So I'm gonna do my skincare, and then after my hair finished sitting for a little bit, I'm gonna wash and straighten it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my nails before I do my hair. Just depends on how long I want the oil to sit. But yeah. Okay, let's do my skincare routine. I am going to film for TikTok as well. So, yeah, this is like the routine that I've been doing in the morning time.
It's DJ Ryan. Somebody better get her, cause she out here looking fun. Better pop your shit because I'm out here popping mine. The way these diamonds hitting bitches, damn near going blind. Look, this Don Julio gon' do the trick every time. Nigga lose me, you know that nigga out his mind. Tell her make a hit, she in the studio just wasting time. If I take a nigga, I don't wanna hear no crying. Cause I ain't say shit when hoes was out here fucking mine. Look, outside grinding, I'ma shine all summer. Badass bitch, I know that every nigga wanna. Real fine shit, man, I get it from my mother.
Hair's washed. I kind of took a long break. I was just doing stuff. I did my my Joico moisture recovery line this time. I kind of alternate between using the moisture recovery line and the bond repair line from Joico. So I used the shampoo, and then I went in and used my Design Essentials Oak Protein and Henna, a deep cleansing shampoo just to like have a deep cleanse to get the oil out. I don't use this every time. I haven't used this in a while actually, but I try to use it like every month or so. And then I followed up with the conditioner. I did not deep condition this time. I've been slacking so much on my deep conditioning. I used to deep condition my hair every time I washed it. I'm going to get back to that, but especially as the winter comes. But I'm about to blow dry my hair. Let me show you the blow dryer that I use. But I think I already have videos out there of me straightening my hair, so the process is not that different. So I use this right here. It's like the what is this? Conair. It's the one with the paddle brush on it. And then I go in with my Kenra blow dry spray before I blow dry my hair. And then before I straighten it, I have been using a mixture of the Amika Blockade and the IGK Good Behavior. It's like a protein spray is what the bottle says. But my hairdresser was using this and it smelled good. And yeah, so I'm going to try to flat iron my hair and curl at the same time. Normally if I want curls, I kind of suck at doing curls with a flat iron. But I've been trying to practice. I would just flat iron everything and then come back and curl. But I'm going to try to do one at it, like both steps in one, if that makes sense. Okay, we're blow dried. I'm about to take my flat iron. This is the one I'm using right now. For the last few years, I was using like the bigger one, but I got like the little 1/2 inch one. This is the ceramic one from Baby Bliss. I love a ceramic flat iron. If you are a natural girl and you want to preserve some of your curls, don't use titanium. Use ceramic. So I'm gonna get these heated up. And what I was talking about, instead of, I'm pretty sure I knew what I meant, but instead of just like, I normally just flat iron the whole head and then come back and curl. But the last time my girl did my hair, she like curled and flat ironed in one go and moved on to the next piece. So I think in order to like save my hair some heat, I'm going to do that and we'll see how it comes out. And then later on, I'm gonna start my nails. They look a mess. I need to go on Pinterest and like decide what I want to do, or if I want to just put on some of my current ones I already have in my nail board. Okay, I'm all done. This is the best I've ever curled my hair with a flat iron. I am impressed. I feel like all the other times when my hair wouldn't be curling like I wanted, I was using too big of a section. So when I would go back and like, and I found another straight piece. I keep finding pieces that I missed. Wait, is it? Maybe it's not. Kind of looks like it though. No, that's curled. I feel like when I would straighten my hair first and then go back. Oh, I'm getting distracted. When I would straighten my hair and then go back to curl, I feel like I was grabbing too big of pieces. But at this time, you know, like grabbing and flat ironing as I straighten my hair in general, or grabbing and curling, I feel like I've grabbed smaller pieces and it looks better. So I'm going to let these curls fall. I'm not going to like comb them out or anything because tonight I am going to pin curl my hair. And then they'll be cute and loose tomorrow, but they're cute right now. So yeah. So all I have left to do tonight is my nails. And yeah, my bed's made. Got some fresh sheets. Oh, I have some fresh sheets. I'm about to light a candle. It's getting dark. Let me cut a light on. Okay, I'm about to light a candle. I have this candle warmer that I got from Amazon after I picked up one from Five and Below. I don't know why I haven't used this before because I'm a candle girl. But I didn't realize until somebody said on TikTok, like, as you're burning candles, the black thing, like the black smoke just like stains your wall. It can like really make an impact. I saw this candle. My friend had asked for one for her Christmas or her birthday like last year. So I got her one, but I just now finally got myself one. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this baby right here, I really love it. And it looks kind of, the thing, I don't know, this is where like the wick was. I think it's like making a hole in it. But anyway, you really just turn it on and it burns. And it's a cute little mood light too, but I really like it. So I have one in my room and I also have one in my living room. So yeah, I'm gonna put some ideas of what I'm thinking about doing for my nails, and then I'll see what I decide on. I don't know. If I don't feel like doing it today, I might do it in the morning, but I need something on these nails. Like my nails have been bare for too long. I need to get together, but yeah. Cute. Okay, so if you have any product suggestions for what you use for your hair, let me know. I probably like some holding spray on my hair after I got done. It was Isoplus. And yes, I'm in bed. I'm about to get up and get started on my nails though. I think I'm gonna do like some silver. Let me show a picture of what I'm thinking. I want like short nails. I've been kind of over long nails lately just because they're kind of annoying. Like when I have stuff to do. But I will never give up the long nails. But just in the meantime, I think I'm feeling like shorty nails. But I'm going to do some press-ons. And I think, I don't know if you can see this. I want this vibe. Like silver as the base. And then do like some cool things on top. I also really like this. These are from Pinterest. But I'm just sitting here watching Herbie. Herbie's one of my favorite YouTubers. He's doing like a live. Let me actually play it because I don't get too far behind. But I think I'm gonna do that. Do my nails. Like I said, just silver. I'll probably film a video and it'll be separate, but I'll insert a few clips. And then I'll probably see y'all in the morning when the nails are done, just so I can show y'all the final results. But it's gonna be a busy morning. I have a call for like this side hustle that I'm doing. I have an interview, and I have like an interview with or like a call with like this job search thing. Because when I got laid off, my company provided us for like a month to like partner with these job search people. But I also connected with like a potential opportunity, but I might have to move if I want the opportunity, and I'm not. I was at the point where I was thinking about moving. I hadn't renewed my lease yet, but now I have, so it's not really ideal. But I'm open to exploring. But yeah, see you in the morning. Okay, the nails are done. And then it came out super cute. I love this nail right here. I think it's my favorite. And then this heart. Oh, it's upside down. How cute. Alright, so this has been productive. I had an interview today. I have another interview tomorrow. It's looking like I might have to move a little bit. I don't know. Whatever. I have an interview today. I had an interview today. I had an interview tomorrow. So it's been very productive. Yes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, friend. Slow song.